Welcome to Action Research Lesson 9. Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to talk about innovative aspects of your research. So, first of all, you have to understand what is innovation. So, others would like to say it according to these diagrams which you see. So, some would like to define innovation according to results, the things which you see, the outcomes which you see. Then some would like to define innovation according to a process, like it's a process, I don't know. And then others want to define innovation according to change. Then on the other diagram to your left there, you can see others would say innovation is systematic in nature, leads to a change in all or some of the elements of a system. Some would like to say innovation is novelty, that is bringing a new solution to the market or something. Then others would like to say innovation is improvement, shift taking place within the system and does not lead to significant changes in operation. Then some would like to say innovation is invention. It's like a new technical solution to something, right? So there's so many definitions of innovation, but we are going to see which one we like to use. So like I said, in this image you see innovation can be position innovation, that is commercial, marketing, business system, management, organization, what. Then innovation can be process. So you look at people, the organizational structure, administrative, product, technical, and so forth. Then innovation can be products, maybe a different product, a new service, whatever. And then innovation can be paradigm innovation, maybe theories, development of new theories, and so forth. So this is just like a brainstorming of what innovation talks about. So why is innovation important? Innovation is important because organizations must move forward in a world that is constantly changing. Some of those changes can pose threats to the organization's well-being, while others represent opportunities for the organization to become even more effective. So innovation provides a way for the organizations to respond to threats and exploit opportunities as they materialize over time. So we want to link innovativeness in research. So there are types of innovativeness in research. One is just general innovativeness. So this one, how do you see it? You see it by answering this question. Does this paper provide new insights? Does it have innovative methodology? To what extent does it present groundbreaking results? Or scientific relevance. So innovation can be based on scientific relevance. So you can answer questions like this. Does the paper address current scientific problems? Does it add to current theories? Does it add to scholarly debate in the field of your study? Is it rooted in previous research? That's how you ask yourself under scientific relevance. Then innovation can be also practical relevance. So you ask yourself questions like, does this paper contribute to current practical problems? Can the results be used to improve the current practices? Then innovativeness can be seen also through policy relevance. So you ask yourself the question like, does this paper relate to the current policy problems? Does it have implications for new policy? And then innovativeness can also be on research design or methodology. So you ask yourself question like, are the methods appropriate for the research question? Is the analysis method clear? Are the steps to identify the sample size also clear? Is the data reliable? Those are the questions you ask yourself. And then innovativeness can also be seen on the clarity of how you present your research. So the questions would be, is the manuscript well structured? Is it internally consistent? The English spellings and grammar, are they acceptable? The research questions, are they clear? So those are some of the questions you can ask yourself so that you can see the innovativeness of your research. So examples of innovativeness in action research. Number one, you can be innovative in your research by producing new designs or methods. So they can, maybe you have a new way of collecting or generating data. Maybe use online interviews or observations. Maybe you have some advanced techniques of taking photographs, and so forth. Then you can also be innovative by bringing in new analytical techniques, development of new software packages, undertaking critical discourse analysis. Also, innovativeness can also be seen by new representations of your qualitative research. For example, visual text, hypermedia, ethnographic fiction, multi-layered or multifocal text. So this is another way of bringing innovativeness in your research. Then the second way is new concepts. So your study, is it generating new ways of thinking about the research? Are you developing new methods, let's say new methodological concepts? Then you ask yourself another question. So here now, the third one is new ways of doing research. Maybe you're working with new participants or new groups which have not been studied before. Maybe research with young children, suicide victims, the populations which are difficult to reach out to. Then maybe you're combining methods like text with vision. Maybe you record people's voices and then you add also images. You see? Or you can do cross-disciplinary research. You link geography and education or psychology and education. That is the innovativeness. Or you respond to changing research landscapes. Maybe you introduce new ethical challenges or guidelines and so forth. So in short, that's how you can write or justify your innovativeness of your research. So if you didn't understand, you can check these references here which I've listed. Then you also do the assignment, which makes you get to understand more. So thanks for your attention and thanks for your participation in this lesson. Let's meet next time for lesson 10.